Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is multiples of unit fractions, lesson number 8.1, page 329. Today's lesson is very easy, guys. Let's start with the story problem in page 329. At a pizza party, each pizza was cut into 6 equal slices. At the end of the party, there were 5/6 of a pizza left. Rupert put each of the leftover slices in its own freezer bag. How many bags did she use? What parts of a pizza did she put in each bag? He wants to know how many bags she will use or she used. And what part of pizza did she put in each bag? Okay, let's imagine I have a pizza here. They only ate once, and I have 5/6 leftovers. The picture shows 5/6, or how many sixes? In just one six, I have how many sixes? One, two, three, four, five. I have 5. How many slices of pizza were eaten? Only one. What fraction of the pizza is one slice? One slice only. What is the fraction of it? It's 1/6. Now, let's move on to this one. Each sixth size part of the pizza can be shown by the unit fraction. Which unit fraction? Yes, 1/6. So I have 5/6 of a pizza, but I need to put only one slice in each bag. So I'm gonna say 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. I will add it how many times, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And instead of adding it, I can just multiply it. I'm gonna add it how many times? 5 times. So I'm gonna say 5 times 1/6. 5 times 1, 5. And denominators, not gonna change it here because I have only a whole number. So Rupert used how many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she put what of pizza? 6 of the pizza. Only 1/6. And guys, Roberta, sorry, it's not Rupert. Roberta, she used 5 bags. So guys, I'm gonna explain it again. Look, I have a pizza, leftovers of 5/6, and I want to put it in a freezer, and I want to put in each bag only one slice. So I will use how many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags. In each bag I will put what? 1/6. That's it. Now guys, he wants me to explain how you can write 3/2 as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Product. Product means I will multiply. Okay, first guys, 3/2, it's like 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. So I added how many times? 1, 2, 3. So instead of adding it, I'm just gonna multiply 3 times 1/2. Multiples, the product of a number and counting number is multiples of the number. You have learned about multiples of whole numbers. Guys, do you remember multiples? Like when I told you what is the multiples of 2? It's 2, 4, 68, and so on. Okay, here we're gonna talk about multiples of fraction. Multiples of fraction, it's much easier in this lesson, and it's the same after that. So if I want multiples of quarter, I will look to the numerator. Okay, numerator is 1. What is the multiples of 1? Is 2. Like table 1, guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It's multiples of 1. So I have it here. It's 2 over 4. Now I have how many parts shaded? 3. And each part is what? Quarter. So what is the multiple of quarter? 3. And here, guys, I have how many parts shaded? 4 parts. Each part is what? Is a quarter. So I have a total of 4 over 4. Now if I shade one here, and one here, and one here, and one here. Now I have how many parts shaded? 5. Each part is what? Quarter. So I have how many parts shaded in all? 5 over 4. Now multiples of quarter is quarter, 2 quarters, guys, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, and 5 quarters. Have you noticed something? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now guys, here he wants me to use a number line to write multiples of 1 over 5. It's easy actually without number line. Look, I have 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5. Huh, guys? Yes, 4 over 5 and 5 over 5. Look guys, here 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, and 5 over 5. Guys, have you noticed something? Okay, 1 over 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's easy.